Thanksgiving! Hello mga kuya! Andito tayo ngayon sa XYZ Hotel sa Tacloban City. Ito yung pinaka-function nila at dito isasagawa ang Montview Thanksgiving Party. Ito yung mga nangyari noong nakaraang taon, 2024, na ito ay nare-recognize ngayong 2025, yung mga nangyari noong nakaraang taon. Yung food ready nila para mamaya. So ito ay yearly ginagawa ng Montview para sa mga kagaya namin na mga sales agent. Andito kami ngayon para makisaya. Hi! Kasama ko siya sa team sa House of Prime ng Shore Homes. At nire-recognize nila yung mga, syempre yung mga nakapagbenta. Kaya andito kami ngayon para makisaya. Syempre, ano ma'am? Picture mangga. Ready, 1, 2.
Okay, in a few minutes we will start with our program. So for now, we start to fill out the registration form. Then after, drop your tickets here. Chief Operating Officer and Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Johansson Benedict Aguilar, for his opening message. Ladies and gentlemen, alam mo ba natin, Block 19, 1. So ito na yung status niya. So stand corrected, iPhone 16 Pro. Hopefully. So at least nakapahinga na tayo over the holidays. And it's a nice jump start din, no, sa 2025. So essentially, Princess, it's nice to look back. But I think it's also exciting times ahead. We're here, kami and the team, we're extremely grateful sa each and everyone that really made this event possible. Of course, sa inyo rin, although third-party sellers still, so we're really grateful. Of course, the efforts nyo, nagulingin ko your efforts. You know who you are. Iba naman yung naging struggles natin, challenges, lahat ng ginawa nating efforts. Hopefully, no, this is our own little way, no, to thank you guys for your continuous support, no, for our project. So of course, mga sellers na years na, familiar faces, and new faces. So we're thankful na throughout the years, no, consistent yung naging support, no, sa project, sa amin.